The SeaWorld Research and Rescue Foundation was formed in 1991 and is dedicated to funding and assisting marine research projects, as well as protecting marine animals. The SeaWorld Research and Rescue Foundation is 100% funded by SeaWorld, and that includes all the equipment, helicopters and staff required for all of our rescues. Trevor Long has worked at SeaWorld since 1973 and has been involved in countless rescues. He now leads the SeaWorld Research and Rescue Foundation in the quest to protect our wonderful marine life.
There are some core animals that we have very, very high conservation values at SeaWorld, and certainly they are the dugong, the grey nurse shark, the loggerhead turtle, and now the polar bear, because the polar bear has become an icon in relation to conservation and climate change within that Arctic region. There's two components to the foundation, and certainly there's one side of it which is the true research side, and that's about learning and understanding so we can never protect these animals. The other side of it is the rescue side of it, and the rescue side is very, very important. They tell people that we care. They put a value on those animals and the environment. The dugong research as part of SeaWorld Research and Rescue Foundation is very important. Moreton Bay has a population of about 900 dugong. What we're trying to do is to preserve this number of dugong and this habitat within an area of Queensland that's the fastest growing. All of the work that we're doing now, understanding what their health is like, understanding how they feed, how they reproduce, we can then further protect them. Many of the rescues we do have a conservation significance. Now, one in particular was the rescue of a grey nurse shark we did. Now, grey nurse sharks are fast disappearing off the east coast. There's possibly fewer than 500. This particular shark, for whatever reason, had a large fisherman's gaff pole down its throat. So these animals have a very, very low level of breeding. They might only breed once every 3-4 years, and they might only have 1 or 2 pups. So it's very important. Every breeding female is a major contributor to that gene pool and to the survival of the species. Nari is a bottlenose dolphin that has been one of the animals that feeds at Tangalooma. Comes in there every night, gets a small portion of its daily food intake. What happened? Nari was bitten by a shark, and it bitten very, very badly on the head. Probably one of the most severe shark bites I've seen on a dolphin that survived. So Tangalooma rang us and they asked us, can we assist? We went up there, we were able to catch Nari. Nari really presented himself. He was looking for someone to help him. We were able to go up there, bring Nari back and put him into the vet centre. That was taking him out of the environment, so it was taking away for any further predation or threats. He stayed here for about 4 to 6 weeks. The healing process was wonderful. He was on antibiotics to stop secondary infections and things like that. But 4 to 6 weeks he was very, very good. We took him back there. It's been a wonderful outcome. I'm passionate about SeaWorld Research and Rescue Foundation for a number of reasons. Primarily the research that we do is all about learning and understanding our environment so that we can better protect it. That's the real important things. The rescue side is about animal welfare. It's about creating values for animals, and it's about creating an empathy for these animals and their environment. And it's about to teach children who are going to be the custodians of the environment why we need to care.